Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Welcome to this market report. Today we're Thursday, July 17, 2014. Today folks, I want to make a follow-up on the last market report when we talked about gold, because there was an early bullish cycle that was starting among gold stocks. Though I've shown you the list of some stocks that were breaking out, some to be put in your watch list. Today though, what's special about this, why I want to make this chronicle, it's simply because today we had a major breaking news though. The Malaysian Airlines has been attacked by some rebels in Ukraine. So a lot of investors have rushed into the gold sector. You see the gold sector surge. So I want to make a follow-up in the last market report though concerning the bullish cycle that were there, and also the stock that were to be watched that should have been put on your watch list. So let's start. First of all, if we take a look at the gold sector here, with the tensions going on in Ukraine though, we have seen a rush of buyers into the gold sector as a safe haven asset. So far, some stocks are performing really well, but in some stocks, you should have get rid of your position. So if we take a look at a stock like Franco-Nevada, that stock was breaking out on July 9th when we made the market report chronicle. And today, the stock though has not been able to break that support, so it's still a hold. And so far, it's going up. So far, a stock like Franco-Nevada, it's still a hold on your portfolio if you got it. Barrick Gold today broke out on July 8th. So far, that stock is continuing to maintain its performance, to maintain its upward trend. So the trend is our friend. So Barrick Gold, you should continue to hold on to it. Only get rid of it if ever the stock goes below 19 bucks. Today, also Barrick Gold announced that its CEO will step down. It will be replaced by two executives of Barrick Gold. Premier Gold Mine was also one of the breakouts on market that was recommended too on the last market chronicle. Since then, Premier Gold took more than 5% since the breakout. So Premier Gold was an ideal profit-taking opportunity on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. Well, we talked about this possibility in Premier Gold Mine to actually take some profit. Now, there was also other stocks that were to be watched that actually break out. For instance, GOLDCORP did break out on July after July 9 when we made the market chronicle. A nice breakout. So far, it didn't perform really well. So right now, it's still within this other formation. As long as GOLDCORP stays above 28.74, it's still a hold. Torex Gold, same scenario, did break out also on July 10. So for Torex Gold, it's still a hold because it's still stock within this other formation, and as long as it stays above 156, it's still a hold. GUYANA GOLDFIELDS, actually that's a stock that broke out on July 10, so after the market chronicle, and is actually in an ideal situation to take some profit. So those of you who got in GUYANA GOLDFIELDS, it's a profit-taking opportunity. But not all stocks worked out that well. For instance, a stock like ELDORADO Gold, it broke out on July 10th, right? But since then, ELDORADO Gold has clearly reversed its upward trend. So this is a perfect example of a stock where if you got in on July 10 on ELDORADO Gold, you should get rid of your bullish positions because the stock broke that support. If you still have it, well, good for you because the stock now is staying above 785. But if it goes below that again, you have to get rid of your positions in ELDORADO Gold because we clearly reverse this downward upward trend on ELDORADO Gold. On the silver sector though, there's also a stock that didn't work out well. It's Silver WHEATON. It broke out on July 10, but since then, Silver WHEATON has actually reversed its upward trend. So Silver WHEATON was a clear breakdown around here for Silver WHEATON. We did recommend that stock as a short on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days. Why Silver WHEATON? Because Silver WHEATON was reaching an important resistance though. It did reach it. And Silver WHEATON though, we believe that as long as it stays below 30 bucks, 28.85, it's still a stock that you should hold on to short because we still believe that Silver WHEATON might have a possibility to go a little bit further down. So Silver WHEATON, I'm definitely not bullish on that stock. Technically speaking, we expect that the stock could go further down. Now, there's also a stock on the silver sector that did perform well, opposite to Silver WHEATON. It's ENDEAVOUR Silver. Since it broke out on July 10, the stock you were able to actually take some profit on that stock, just like GUYANA GOLDFIELDS in the gold sector. So ENDEAVOUR Silver is a profit-taking opportunity. Today, with today's increase, some new opportunities to get in. Well, there are some though. For instance, Silver Standard Resources, which is a clear breakout. There's also Silver Standard Resources on the TSX, which is a clear breakout. And there's also Agnico Eagle, which is a clear breakout. But make sure though that if you're getting into those stocks like Agnico Eagle, stop loss is around 42.08, and on Silver Standard Resources, stop loss is at 9.18 on the TSX. So make sure you continue to put your stop loss. Now, if you make a follow-up on this though, what are the stocks that are ideal for profit-taking opportunity? The ones you see highlighted with an I and an S are ideal to actually take some profit. So GUYANA GOLDFIELDS and ENDEAVOUR Silver are good profit-taking opportunity. But there's some stock where you should actually continue to hold on to, like GOLDCORP, like Torex Gold, or a stock like, for instance, GOLDCORP and Torex Gold, or Premier Gold Mines, or BARRICK Gold, and even Franco Nevada. That is among our analyst choice. And the stock that you should get rid of are stocks like ELDORADO Gold or Silver WHEATON, which are actually keeping or could keep actually their downward momentum since they reversed their upward trend. So that's it, folks. This was Christian Charlo from MarketGurus.tv. See you next week for your market report. And never forget, the more money you make, the happier we are. See you next week.